Kita na ako. Ay, nakalive na kayo?
Kaya sila mga marugin na ano yun.
Yun lang.
Gagong Cebu to. Second, third game maganda. Tunuan. Tunuan tsaka Quezon. Kaso wala na mic.
Kom! Sa Facebook kaya ata naka-live, Kom!
Makakulang player.
Ay, okay na! Tangin na, baka sakali na ako nito ni...
Tapos yung mic sa'yo na ako na yun.
Dito. Kasi may mic dun to eh.
Hindi ba ang tawag dyan? Ang bang tawag dyan? Discord tawag dyan. Nakalimutan ko eh. Ang tawag doon sa ano, isang chat ay sa isang live. Ang ginagamit ko Lloyd din.
OBS?
Oo, OBS ba? Hindi.
Ano, matis na yun.
Wait, pre-game ako na bit, Kom! Saglit.
Over.
Ako nga mag-reply ni JC sa ni Calvert eh.
Just na lang ako. Hindi naman ako takot eh.
Kaso may noise cancelling yan, ang ingay niya, no?
Narinig ba tayo dyan ya?
Rinig yan, nasa kanya yung mic eh. Nasa kanya yung mic.
Kaya na yan.
Rinig yan.
Rito.
Live ko kaya sa page ko to.
Yo, wag ka rito yan. Putang na, tinapakin lang kita. Hindi tayo bati.
Eh, may noise cancelling to.
Kaso may ingay yan. May ugong yan eh. No?
Bago, ayaw ah.
Ano kami magkukwentuhan sa house ni Cedric?
Wala pa kasi. Mo, Kom. Kom, pwede ba ako mag-live dun sa ano mo? Kom, di ako pwede mag-live dun sa ano mo. Sa page mo, nag-error.
Ang damot ng page mo, Kom.
Kaya nga, hindi nga ako makapag-ano sa Facebook. Kom, tingnan mo.
Sa
You
Facebook
can try
wala.
again or you can just go live.
Ano ba guys na yan?
Maayos na nga kanina, Kom. Maayos na actually. Yung pag-stream na lang. Yung pagla-live na lang. Yung access ba binigay mo sa akin? Full access?
Oo. Sa FB? Laksan mo ba?
Oo.
Hindi na, nakalive naman sa...
Ano pre-game? Ganda pa naman ang pre-game ko.
Ay, sabi ko set up na natin kanina eh.
Di okay naman na. Eh, yung live lang talaga, Kom.
Kaya kami gagawin.
Ito ni-restart ko para dun sa ano mo, sa access. Five minutes. Five minutes lang, Kom. 5 minutes. Hello, low.
Saan? Layo niyan.
Ayaw, ano? Ang tawag nun? Pwede ba yung emission kasi yung manggagaling pang Manila, screenshot na lang? Yung emission, di pa pala ako kasi bukas, screenshot na lang yung emission. Pwede, sige. Yung copy ganyan ang copy
Bakit? Ba't ayaw? Gagi ayaw mag-live oh. Four minutes, Kom. 6:30 simula tayo.
Nakalive na ba tayo? Sino? YouTube pa tayo eh. Oras tayo sa oras tayo na Sana nga madami, yun ang mali ito mo.
Sa susunod, magkot na tayo para hindi mo sumagal. Ending may global tips ka? Ending may global tips ka, madam. Ano po ito?
Hindi, YouTube dun.
Baka kailangan dyan yan, nakalagay yung Facebook ni Jesus.
Gusto mo mag-login ka dito? Ay, hindi.
Hindi, yung serious na page lang para direct.
Hindi, nakalagin na ako eh.
Naka-access na nga siya eh. Anong pagalitan?
Basket.
Huwag mo pa ako.
Si Jem, amoy ng player yan.
Check, mic check, 1 2 1 2. Check, mic check, meron.
Delayan ko, ma.
1 minute ah.
Delay.
Meron.
Sabi mo, putol. Nilagay mo na ba doon?
Oh. Check, mic check.
Para kang gago.
Say's Basketball League, oldies but goodies, 40th division. First offering for today, Sinadra Boy versus Kick Zone. Live tayo sa YouTube page ng Zeus Basketball League. That's sa ating Red app. So please make sure to follow and subscribe to our YouTube page. Later on, we're working on going live sa ating Facebook. So please make sure to follow our Facebook page as well. Maraming salamat po. Again, this is gonna be your hype man for today. Kevin or at Arrow Sports PH. Hello. Okay, check it.
Gusto mo i-live ko muna sa ano ko? Live ko muna sa Try ko muna.
Naka-YouTube naman siya eh.
Hindi, pero ano ko sa ano ko, com. Cross post natin. Game right here, 7 minutes and 11 seconds. Kick zone, 6-4. Meron na. Okay, pasensya na. Back kick zone on the break, driving. Number 12, driving the lane, gets the basket. Doubles upwards in on Sina Jepoy. 6 minutes and 52 seconds to go right here as Grimaldo driving the lane. There's a foul in the process. Maklang right here, magtitimon para sa Sina Jepoy. Splitting the D, pass to Montes. Montes with a favorite jump shot of his, missing that one. Rebound, Grimaldo, the foul on the process here. Ayan, Grimaldo, one-hander. That's a good sight to see. Ayan o, nakakatuwa makasama yung mga kasama ko dito sa official stable. Talaga naman, the best. Lalo na yung aming timer announcer, the Coke Man, mga kaibigan. Ayan o. But balik tayo sa ball game as number 4 of kick zone swing sa Gedley. Driving the lane, floater, one-hander, missing that one. Oh, board against the Twin Towers. Missing that one. Ayan. Medyo nagkakaroon at Sina Jepoy. We'll get back possession right there, Grimaldo. To Ternate, checking his options to Maklang. The flyby, 4-3. Missing that, 35 with a board. Ball possession stays with kick zone, mga kaibigan. And dito tayo first quarter, 5 minutes and 34 seconds. Live na po tayo sa ating Blue app. So please make sure to follow our Blue app page para naman updated kayo lagi sa CIUS Basketball League 40 Up Division.
187 yan.
Montes now with the steal to Maklang. Mano a mano on the break. Maklang! What a stop right there.
Oo nga, hindi. Oo nga, sabi ko.
Back, Ternate. Pass to Maklang. Back to Montes. Favorite Medi, jump shot. That is good right here. And the mandatory substitution is now in play.
First up lang yan. Di mamaya tanongin, pag halftime na, wala pa namang halftime.
Ayan na. My guys right here, Rufy Santos, also the Roger Tinay with Joel Tumakin, Dennis De Llosa and Richardson by there for Sina Jepoy. They have the possession right here. 4-3. Missing by 35 with the board. Ball possession stays with Gibson, mga kaibigan, and Imano on. $70 by there. Swing sa Gedley. Punches that through. 11-7, 4 minutes and 20 seconds as Tinay. Back to Baider. Baider will check his options. Back to Tinay for 3. Missing that to Makin. Block up top. Tumakin though, pass to Bider with the midi. Count that in for Richardson by there mga kaibigan as they inch closer. 9-11, 4 minutes remaining sa ating first quarter. Live na po tayo sa ating Blue App page, so please make sure.
Sa internet mo ako, may naka-wifi ka eh. Naka-wifi ka ulit eh.
Deliosa. In and out. Pass back to Bider. Getting it back right here to Deliosa. Swing to Santos. To Tumakin. From deep. Missing it. Kicks on with the board. Forward pass. That's a turnover though for number 83, Rivera.
Sa YouTube okay, dire-diretso. Sa Facebook medyo patay mo. Ano tagal mo sa Facebook?
Hindi ko na ano? Hindi ko nila-like doon.
Like ko lang.
Bider, back to Deliosa here. In and out na naman. That's 0 out of 2. Dalawang in and out for Deliosa. As number 49 driving coast to coast. Finish. Go bang in the bucket. Extending the lead right there. 13-9 at 2 minutes and 50 seconds to go.
Sa Facebook medyo vlog siya.
Dito, internet. 17, driving, missing, Tinay with the board. Deliosa will push it. Pass to Tumakin. Fourth from deep, Tumakin knocks it down. Joel Tumakin, resident sharpshooter ng Sine Jaboy. Noong pandemic pa lang, yan na talaga ang idol coach Joel Tumakin. Ladies and gentlemen, for you guys. And that's a turnover for Kick Zone. As Sine Jaboy is down to 14-12. Kick Zone with the lead right here. Balik kay Deliosa to Bider, checking his options here. Bider driving the lane, sidestepping his way through, missing that. Forward pass to Rivera, medyo sobra as they get a turnover right there. Rufino Santos bringing down the ball for Sine Japoy for Deliosa. Third time, missing still 0 out of 3 for Deliosa with a forward pass. This is Shete driving the dipsy do, missing. They get the old boy though. 49 driving, a drop pass, not intercepted by there will go to Tumakin, the drop pass, project to Tumakin, the lefty combination, a bang in the bucket for Joel Tumakin. The assist of Roger Tinay, mga kaibigan. And Tumakin will shoot his first free throw. Balik tayo, number 49. Swing, 83, Rivera. Bang! That's what confidence will give you. 17-14, taking back the lead with 52 seconds to go. Deliosa to Bider, splitting the defense. The floater, missing. Rivera with the board. Rivera will bring it down for Kick Zone. Rivera to stop and a papa. Missing that. Gets the old board. 49 driving the lane. Missing pa rin. Back to Rivera ulit. Fly by drive. Rivera will get the ball to T9 right there. By there to Rufino Santos, the floater, missing that one. Balik ang possession dito sa Kick Zone. But Rivera driving this time. Wants the contact. Tumakin with the board. Tumakin will bring it down. Tumakin driving. But there's a traveling violation for Tumakin. Ladies and gentlemen, 4 to go. 17-14, 4 seconds remaining. But the interception, Rufino Santos, what a buster! sayang naman yun, minadali. And at the end of the first quarter, the official score is 17-14. Kickzone, a little bit up right here, 17-14, gaya nga ng sabi ko, but Senior Japoy is still closing in, an inch closer lang sila. Definitely, meron pa naman ibubuga to at napakaganda ng laban dito between Kickzone and Senior Japoy. Ito yun, ganun-ganun lang. Parang may lakad yung mga officials dito. Back to the ball game na agad tayo dito, second quarter.
Knockout na lang tayo, Senior Japoy. Knockout. Knockout tayo, knockout. Para hindi mo tayo ituwan. Sa akin, knockout na lang tayo.
Balik tayo sa possession as Grimaldo back in the game. Maclong right here. We'll bring it down to Santos. Santos driving, Maclong. Pass back. Tarnate. Off the glass, favorite! Japoy Ternate knocks down his favorite three-pointer off the glass. Specialty of the house from Japoy Ternate. And the O-board once more. Basically, Kickzone is getting their points dito sa ating game via the O-boards. Yun ang pumapatay sa Senior Japoy ngayon. But it's a very very close game right here. Tinitin mo na nga nito ni Rufino Santos. Back to back ba? Missing that one, sobra yon. But Montes fighting through to get the possession back to Ternate. Ternate Diali, Grimaldo missing, and Kickzone again secures the possession. But what a good defense by Rufino Santos right there, nagmamadali. Tumaheto Grimaldo, driving, Grimaldo bulldozing his way through the basket. And ayun, there is a timeout right here for Kickzone right here as Senior Japoy is now getting their possession back or momentum back, tying the game 19 apiece, 8 minutes and 25. Baba pa naman ang stream dito.
Baba talaga, kailangan natin dito.
And back to the ball game right here. Grimaldo again, the one-hander free throw. This time makes it. Ties the game 2019, 8 minutes and 25 ticks to go. Kickzone with the possession right here. Numero 4 knocks it down. That is Monte Castro knocking down a three-pointer right here. 8 minutes and 5 seconds, 22-20.
Ako dyan, hindi akin yun.
Baider to Deliosa. Checking. Back to Baider. Baider. Missing, it's a turnover right there. Deliosa has back the possession. 1 minute and 33, 42, 32 in favor of Sina Jepoy. To Tomakin. Missing that time after a back-to-back three-pointer. Driving, 49. O, diba? Nakay madam. Nakamute si madam. Deliosa here getting back possession. 42-34, 1 minute and 3 seconds. Tomakin ginawa sa kabila. Missing that one. 49 with a board. 49 nagmamadali. Tumake 12. And there's a timeout right there for Sina Jepoy. Checking, back to Baider. Missing is it over there, Deliosa. Has back 32-42 in favor of Sina Jepoy. Tomakin missing that time after a back-to-back three-pointer. Driving, 49. Alright, back to possession. Tomakin. Missing that by there with a board. Back to Tomakin. What a pass! What a basket from Joel Tomakin. 44-36. Back to an 8-point lead para Sina Jepoy, but Rivera knocks down a three-pointer to inch closer. 44-39. Balik kay Tomakin. Gets the foul in the process. Back to possession. Tomakin. With the ball. Back to down a three-pointer to inch closer. 44-39. Joel Tomakin knocks down defense right here at knocks down the free throw, I should say. Then 49 will bring it down back. Tapang, number 18 for kick zone. Has the possession, checking the clock. Tapang with a stop and pop midday. Tapang with the old board. There's a foul. Baldecañas. Foul on Jonathan Baldecañas. 6 seconds to go right here. Last possession. Tapang. Knockout play right there for kicks on the forward pass. And ganun lang. We're off with our first half. Tapos na po tayo on our first half. And ang official score natin is 45-41 with Sina Jepoy leading pa rin kahit na medyo nakalapit-lapit na ang kick zone. We'll be right back for our second half. Dito lang po kayo sa Zeus Basketball League Oldies but Goodies 40-up Division. you dito sa YouTube, Sayers Basketball League. Balik ang possession. Ganda, number 49, fast break. Rufino Santos na naman. All out hustle. Rufino Santos. Wow. I like the hustle of Rufino Santos right here. Back. Dito sa kick zone, number 2. Drop down. Balik muli. The floater, the one-hander off the glass. Missing that. Tumakin to Grimaldo. He will now bring down the possession. Grimaldo all the way.
2 points.
Ryan Grimaldo knocks it down for Sina Jepoy. Extending the lead 47-41. Monte Castro for 3. 3 points knocks down second 3-pointer of the game. Maklang to Tumakin. Tumakin spinning, checking his options. Rufino Santos, bang! Rufino Santos knocks it down.
Dick, pero dapat ano na yan ha, delay na. Para malayo yung score ko.
2 points. Ganun.
Maklang has the possession right here. Back to Santos. Sayang, back to back sana. Dalawang buwan na sana ang pangkwento yon. But Monte Castro,
2 points.
coast to coast finish right there. Trimming the lead down to 2 points, 50-48 with 7 minutes and 48 seconds to go. Maklang, drive to Grimaldo. Grimaldo has possession. Drop to Tumakin. Tumakin, the dipsy do. Missing that as Maklang gets the whole board. Pass to Grimaldo. To Rufino. Back to Maklang. Driving. Maklang shooting. Missing number 2 with a rebound. Kick zone. Proving their defense is really good. Here comes Monte Castro to number 35. Game is now tied, ladies and gentlemen, 50 apiece. Dito sa ating oldies but goodies, 40 up division. Jepoy Ternate will bring down the ball for Sina Jepoy. Back to Maklang ang bola. Maklang crossing. Maklang back to Rufino. I don't know if you notice this, but Rufino with the floater. Wow! Showing his game, Rufino Santos right here. Wow! I'm just amazed. Monte Castro though, shooting another 3-pointer. That was a little open once more. But Rufino, breaking. Rufino missing. Maklang with the follow. Sobra! Sayang naman yon. As kick zone once more. Back pass. Get back by Monte Castro. Monte Castro driving. The drop. Number 2 with the finish. Knocks it down. 52-52. 6-1-2 to go. Dito sa ating third quarter ng laban ng Sina Jepoy at kick zone. Balik ang possession dito. Sina Jepoy to Grimaldo. Grimaldo. Down low to Ternate. Back to Rufino. Rufino, the pass to Tumakin, intercepted. 5 seconds to go sa kanilang shot clock. 3 points knocks down second 3-pointer of the game. Maklang to Tumakin. Back to possession, another offensive rebound. Offensive rebound is the one killing etong Sina Jepoy, but Grimaldo gets caught with a palming violation.
Pre, paul naman tayo. Pagkaan lang, ang tipitik, paul eh.
shots and sayang naman yung possession na yun. That was a turnover. Balik ang possession dito sa Sina Jepoy. Third quarter, 52-52, 5 minutes and 12 seconds remaining, mga kaibigan. As Deliosa will bring down the ball for Sina Jepoy. Ngayon may tangan ng possession. Pass to Montes, down to Tarnate. Tarnate clearing his way. Nabitawan yon, but they were able to actually get it back kasi hindi nakuha ng Quezon yung possession. Balik ang bola dito, Grimaldo to Montes, missing. Grimaldo follow up, Montes nakuha muli, offensive board by Montes, but there is a stepping on the line. Yan ang tawag ng ating referee. Balik ang possession dito sa kick zone. Swing number 2 to Rivera, sharpshooter, missing that, pero Tapang with the offensive board once more. Who's got it? Grimaldo got it. Grimaldo will bring it down. Grimaldo, Kayod, Caballo, Grimaldo. There's a foul.
Dalawa pre.
Foul number 17, Sumagaysay, second.
The foul is on Sumagaysay. That is his second personal foul. One of the few big guys ng Quezon who can directly match up dito kay Grimaldo. But Grimaldo proving his dominance all around play right here. But missing his free throw is Grimaldo. He gets another chance at it at the charity stripe. So let's see if he will be able to take the lead for Sina Jepoy. 0 out of 2 right there. Sayang naman yon. Balik ang bola dito kay Tapang, intercepted. Ternate gets the possession for Sina Jepoy. Montes crossing over. Montes checking his options. Back to Ternate, to Deliosa. Deliosa stepping back to Ternate, nakuha. Intercepted by Tapang on it, 1-on-3. Rivera missing. Grimaldo with the board. Grimaldo ngayon will bring it down. Hindi na kayo kudo na Rivera on the break. Rivera drop to Tapang. Gets the lead. 54-52. 3 minutes and 32 to go. Balik ang possession dito Sina Jepoy. Grimaldo checking his options. Swing Montes. A little bit open. Back to Deliosa. There's a foul.
Foul number 83.
Isa lang pre.
Substitution right here as Tiday and Tomakin goes in for Tarnate and Grimaldo. Montes will inbound the ball for Sina Jepoy. Deliosa swing to Montes, shooting. Tomakin overboard, trying to spin, pero malapad ang kick zone right there. Ngayon nagmamadali na naman ang kick zone to Tapang. Drop the give and go, finish. Wow, what a play right there for kick zone. Balik ang possession. Tomakin tries a 3 off the glass, missing it. Rebound 35, but Montes gets it back. Montes gets the basket up and in for Sina Jepoy, inching a little bit closer. 56-54. And balik dito kay Tapang with the midi, knocks it down. Wow, Tapang really making his energy felt, or being felt here by Sina Jepoy, as is really done damage dito sa ating third quarter. Tumakin, turnaround jumper, missing that. Number 10 with a board. Number 35 will bring it down. 35 also all the way. 35, what a finish! Coast to coast basket. And that prompted Sina Jepoy to call a timeout right there. Kasi ganun lang. 60-54 na ang score, lamang ang kick zone. Total turnaround with 2 minutes and 7 seconds to go.
Yun pala yung number. Yung
Alright, back to the game right here. Grimaldo back. A really short rest for Grimaldo. He knocks it down, inching closer. 59-60, 1 minute and 20 seconds to go as Monte Castro gets back the possession here. Monte Castro will dribble away. Pass to number 10 to Gedley. Number 10 driving, blocked by Grimaldo up top to Montes. Montes nagmamadali to Deliosa. Pass back sana but intercepted by Monte Castro. By there will come in. Papalitan si Tumakin. Wow. Wow, what a substitution right there. 103. But Grimaldo back to Tinay. 4-3. Bang! Specialty of the house, Roger Tinay of Rabias, mga kaibigan. Tapang missing, but the old board really killing Sini Jepoy. Offensive board talaga ang pumapatay sa Sini Jepoy dito. That's why it's being close despite the height advantage that they have. Talaga naman natatalo sila sa old board. What hustle ang pinapakita netong kick zone. 62-62, 42 ticks to go as Grimaldo will bring down the possession. Grimaldo, swing to Tinay, back to Deliosa, 4-3, off to the left. Kuha ng kick zone ng bola. Tapang will bring it down. Tapang will go coast to coast. Tapang pass back sana. 49 knocks it down. Wow. 64-62. Roger Tinay pass back to Montes. But there was a miss. Parang it's a matter sometimes of overpassing. Roger Tinay could have shot that, pero opting to pass it to Montes, probably to get Montes' rhythm as he has not gotten his rhythm up to this point. But Montes though with free throws can definitely get his rhythm, but missing his first try. Second try though, will he make it? Knocks it down. Trimming the lead just in one at 10 seconds to go sa ating third quarter. Rivera, what are you gonna do? Driving, passing it back sa referee, pinasa. And 4 seconds to go, 64-63, Deliosa. Hope they realize it. I don't know if they have. But Montes does. Montes shoots, running, 3 points. And at the end of the third quarter, Kick Zone ultimately takes the lead back 63. With fourth quarter remaining, will Sini Jepoy still have enough left on the tank to win this back? Or will Kick Zone definitely put the nail on the coffin dito sa ating laban ng Kick Zone versus Sini Jepoy? We'll be right back sa ating fourth quarter. Alright, first possession, sokpa agad. Yan para sa ating Kick Zone. 66-63. 9 minutes and 38 seconds. Alright, back to the lead right here. Rivera, 4-3, off to the right. Boss Jepoy with the board. Pass to Montez. 6-6, 64. 9 minutes and 20 seconds as Montez. For those who don't know, that's what you call a fumble, which is good now. All he can do is pass or shoot and up. He opted to pass, but there's a turnover once again as number 17, bitawan, Sumagaysay with a turnover right there, giving back the possession to Sina Jepoy. Balik ang bola dito. Grimaldo driving, creating space. The own man's strength for Grimaldo.
Sa ating labanang ito versus Sina Jepoy sa fourth quarter.
Two points there with 8 minutes and 20 seconds to go. Montez has the possession.
Montez has the possession.
Alright, back sa possession dito kay Maclang. Maclang itangan ng bola. Pass back to Montez. Montez with the running. Shot off the glass. Grimaldo. Powering through. Foul is on number 18. Tapang there. Called with a foul. And the referee calls it that he will shoot free throws once more. Good thing for kick zone. Grimaldo